In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho CRM using Chrome and export your data efficiently. This task is fundamental for any CRM user who wants to maintain a backup of their data or needs it for further analysis and reporting. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, fire up Google Chrome on your computer. While Zoho CRM works with most web browsers, Chrome is highly recommended due to its robustness and compatibility with Zoho's extensive features. Once your browser is ready, navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. You'll typically find that this page has a login section for you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password. Make sure you enter these details accurately, as committing a small typo can prevent access to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoho CRM dashboard. This dashboard is your main control center where you can access all of your CRM's features. To export data, you need to go to the Setup section. You'll find this option located usually in the top right corner, represented by a cogwheel or gears icon. Click on it to expand a menu with several administrative features. Within the Setup menu, look for the Data Administration category. This is where you can manage your data-related operations. Under Data Administration, you will find the Export option. Clicking on Export will take you to the Export Settings page. On this page, you'll see options for choosing which module or modules you want to export. Zoho CRM allows you to customize your export by selecting certain modules. This means you can either export all data or limit the export to specific data sets. Review your choices carefully, as selecting the right modules can make a huge difference in easing data handling and processing later. Next, you need to decide on how you want the export file to be formatted. Zoho CRM typically offers you a choice between CSV and XLS formats. CSV is generally more versatile and widely used for data analysis across different platforms. On the other hand, XLS is tailored for users who work extensively in Excel. Choose the format that suits your subsequent workflow best. After selecting the format, you simply initiate the export by clicking on the designated button. Zoho CRM will start compiling your data, which may take a few moments, depending on the size of what you're exporting. Upon completion, you will be prompted to download the file. Click to download and ensure the file is saved in a location where you can easily find it later. And that's it! You've successfully logged into your Zoho CRM on Chrome and exported your